difficult. Me pe models are obi a me be your model e difficult model difficult. Model are difficult. Me pe sa de no.
Very. Me difficult. Asem na me
say yen kodem. Na ko susu obikini. What I say? O the bikini bi ho no ma say. O sha otu no betimi apu. Na
I'm flawless, I'm early for this party, but my sneakers is the latest. Hustled in my hood, started in a Camry, but next year I will wake up in a new Bugatti. That means in my hood we got luck, we lucky. The girls, them fresh, better like them jockeys. I keeping on making it dope, keeping on rapping and making it hits. Girls, keeping on shaking their body, I'm ready, ready to wanna rock. We give it to them everywhere we go. We make them 9, don't move to the flow. Yeah, and be trying now who they go to.
Wait, Nana. Meeting them, yeah. Who's an mental more? Meeting them, I don't know the amount where is. Jamai. Oh, maybe Roma Digga. Roma Digga. I gave it over.
I saw my man.
Oh, okay. Pacho.
Thank you.
I can make a air condition. I'm done.
Air condition.
And I'm using
the
oh, sorry.
And I said a bass. Stonebwoy pay and I don't come out. Then the Casana, we are not moving my child.
And you're photo was a Obuano. Obuana, I mean, a good story.
I'm saying apart from Dr. Louisa, I'm common of papa. I want an air conditioning chair, mother. I could plug it. You rather than one or two. No,
and now was all who can't deviate. I was on the chair. And their own corner over that.
Oh, yeah, open master.
Maybe our Bahabi could be our say, Madame with the wire and wire. Some little picture on Sunday Stonebwoy. I know I say. Nko ga maga bi from America babat o hwewa o so agen o so chan girl I say adia ba kwa o mpa wo ho ye wo hene eno ano complain o say apart from hene de o height ni bibia ya okay
aya menye sa o say fata menim
oh ya ba me convince no
me ye makeup on say o ti me ye makeup na o hene
say we ne ka say ma $5,000 mi wa
oh yeah
me ma o half why I'm doing a video shoot na wama.
Ah, will come. Me ba oh. Me should am pescasa oh. Me ba from me. Oh me ba will come. Oh yeah. Sika de.
Asa why am I going to me charge 7,000 and mama 3,000 na obi ya mama 4,000 account. Why? But say na dey won na hostel na dey obeda.
No problem.
You do them my plug air condition chair now, why?
Can you answer?
Never. I go for Baboy, Edward Kufo. Hello? Yeah, Edward Kufo, not to say. Now, old man, where? Oh, Lumba show no. Oh. Who said last year, Nico John to record it? Aha. But I say, Matthias, and Timber show gave Yanka Mobo a Lumba ne a match the dinner Stonebwoy in Abumo. The man come on no be iron. Debbie be remiss. On his Stonebwoy, the be remiss.
Oh, do me.
I could sorry, Bajoma. That's a the be remiss or hair on this I'm actually in this Stonebwoy.
Yeah, baby.
Okay. I go for a dual go for ya. Okay, and come in Sassan when I was a commander remiss. Ubinko has so don't watch her. Aha, no. I'm actually they said that we be in an open. Okay, now then the lumba so then never have been with Harry Miss why. Mati, you ever be sure man William. You ever be sure man William. Okay, Mati. Mati, and never be fear be sure why. Okay, Mati, you Mati, I say, Mati, say $70,000. Oh, and I say okay. Ulumande we nipa o. Ulumande we nipa.
Oh, sorry.
But I'm bottom ba.
Ay. Kufoba.
Ah, okay. Mati. Me. How that me manager bia. Me nkyere me ho. Ka obi anka me manage big artists bi say nga offer me kra na. Aha. Mati ase. Oh, okay, Mati. And the only problem. But you kwadem me ba why me ba. Sorry, me girl bi na ba ho na me say on kwadem. Oh, okay, Mati.
Okay.
Stana uti mbacho ma wo fa ni mbom dua nze da bi na obi wo menchenti na meye sa ma ni mbom dua na me say ka Mati nze ka minim sa 7,000 Ghana me say me de ka ba nze ade bi wo ma say wo yes na wo hanipa no ma ni mbom dua angona mem
Ana ma wutwe. Aya hwe ni o oga. Obla wo boy. Aya hwe ni o.